In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to completely uninstall Tradelocker from your PC. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Revo, like so. Once I'm here, you'll see Revo Uninstaller, and don't worry, it is 100% free and there's no virus detected. From here, you'll just simply need to click free download, and then from here, you will need to download Revo Uninstaller onto your PC. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to open up Revo Uninstaller like so, and once I'm here, you should be doing something like this. Now from here, as you can see, I need to update my Revo Uninstaller, but you don't need to do that. From here, you'll simply need to go up to the search bar and click in Tradelocker like so. Once I'm here, you can go down and click uninstall, right click on it and then uninstall, and then from here, you'll need to click continue. Once I'm here, you'll see that it's creating system restore points. And once I'm here, once that is done, you can scan your computer of any file that is represented inside of Tradelocker and then either manually uninstall it or automatically uninstall it. So let's see, scan right here. And once I'm here, Revo will uninstall or scan your entire PC from Tradelocker apps. Like so, as you can see here, there's a bunch of different Tradelocker things that you can just need to select all. And then from here, you'll simply need to click delete. From here, I personally like to just click them individual like so, simply because I'm afraid that it's going to uninstall something I don't want to have uninstall like so. Then you can see you can delete it. And then from here, found leftover files and folder, and you can just select it and delete it like so. Yes, please. And then from here, everything will be deleted. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!